How to add or remove the Allow Away Mode policy from Power Options in Windows. Chrome bookmarks keep your online life organized, but managing or moving them doesn't have to be messy. Let's walk through how to add or remove the Allow Away Mode policy in Windows 10 using Command Prompt or Registry Editor. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. What is Away Mode? Away Mode is a hidden power setting in Windows that lets your PC look asleep while still running key background tasks. It's mainly used in media scenarios such as streaming, recording, or downloading, where you want the screen off but the system's still active. Enabling with Command Prompt. By default, Allow Away Mode policy is hidden. You can enable it using Command Prompt. Here's how. Click Start, search for Command Prompt, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Then type the following command. Press Enter. Now, go to Advanced Power Options under Sleep, and you should see Away Mode listed. Enabling Away Mode using the Windows Registry. Prefer using the Windows Registry instead? That works too. Open Registry Editor and go to this path. H key, Local, Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Session Manager, Power. Right-click the Power folder, create a new DWORD 32-bit value, name it Away Mode Enabled, and set the value to 1. Restart your computer and the setting should now appear in your Power Options. Removing Away Mode from Power Options. Method 1. Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type, press Enter. Method 2. Windows Registry. Click Start, search for Registry Editor and open it. Enter this into the address bar. H key, Local, Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Session Manager, Power. Look for the Away Mode Enabled value. Double-click the file and change the value to 0. Not all systems support Away Mode. If it doesn't appear, check your hardware documentation or the manufacturer's site. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add or remove the Allow Away Mode policy from Power Options in Windows, linked in the description below.